How to download polls on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download polls on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and now go down until you find this one, download your information, and click select all. This one here, click on it and then click pause and go down, select format and media quality and data range and click create file. And now just wait and it will be downloaded. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.